Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add emergency contact in your Samsung Galaxy A05 phone. Now the first thing you have to do is go to your settings app. From here scroll down and then go to safety and emergency. Then tap on emergency contacts and then tap add emergency contact. From here choose the contact that you want to add as emergency contact. If I select this and then tap on done, and it's done. Now you have to turn on show on lock screen option from here. Now if I lock my device and then swipe for unlock, then tap on emergency call, and from here you can find your emergency contact. Emergency contacts help you in your emergency situation even your device is locked. And that is how you can add emergency contact in your Samsung Galaxy A05 phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.